channels, and it's kind of funny you actually meet somebody you've seen like in a, it's like I know you better than you know me. If that makes sense. I've seen you in 20 videos. Things have officially begun. Sizzling sounds are taking place here.
Yeah, I gotta put my glasses on so I can see my viewfinder. You know, it sucks out loud. Alright, things are happening. We sat around and had enough cocktails. It's time to do a little pie iron cooking. She's got some macaroni cooking up, or is that just water heating up? It could be macaroni. Mars, doing something with bread and butter and cheeses. There it is, the cheeses.
Fire for a second, then let's just put the big one on, and we put all our pie irons on it. And I knocked it over when I was in there.
Are you going to use a pie iron?
I was just making a grilled cheese.
Oh.
Are you making an appetizer, or is this your entry?
I'm just kind of making a grilled cheese.
Because I got pie irons for you to borrow.
Yeah. I'm only making a half.
Very, very reasonably priced.
But unfortunately, you have to have sex with them to get that discount. It's one of those discounts.
Bubbling already?
I see a little bubble starting to come up in steam. So
that's a zippy fire right there.
figure once we get that up to normal operating temperatures. Where's I need to borrow your facility.
Okay.
Do we need a wedge in here between the tree and the bush, or?
Well, if you want to go in the house, it's just straight through the patio.
Yeah, we're gonna have to move. I mean, me and my girlfriend.
You're like, this is how I want to spend every one of my afternoons.
Honey, pack this shit up. We're moving.
Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Doing to do some pie iron cooking today. So Fernbark was nice enough to loan me a set of pie irons, because I don't own any. Just sort of warming it up. And I got it right in the ash. This is smart. There we go. Alright, so what have I got here? I've got some sourdough bread, which doesn't really fill the whole circle, but we're just going to kind of wing it. Let's see what happens. Got some Tillamook cheddar cheese. Sadly only medium because that's all they had for it was on sale. I've got a little bacon here that I actually cooked up yesterday specifically for this. Let's do this. Alright. There we go. English muffin probably would have worked a lot better because it's round. It probably would have fit in there perfectly. So. I'm gonna go ahead and call it. Alright.
Okay. Some kind of amazing stuff starts to happen.
Really didn't brown up like I was hoping. Got a nice golden brown though.
Mm-hmm. Do you want to sample the barbecue meat that's in here?
Alright, so I've borrowed David's pie irons. The nice big ones. Probably one last sandwich. We're gonna go for broke with the cheese.
Meanwhile, the bugs over there, they're up to something.
Well, I got to go feed them pretty soon because it's about their actual dinner time anyway. So they're
Salivating.
they're like, dude.
Bugs, what matter?
Actually, are you gonna use that pork?
Oh, go ahead.
He's doing double pork.
How about a Franken sandwich?
Triple pork.
Oh,
So we're gonna go David's pork, bacon, cheddar, sourdough bread, pork. What is this?
pork shoulder, smoked pork shoulder.
Smoked pork shoulder.
Triple pig.
The triple pig.
It's
I
fried
you know,
pig.
I like that. I like that a lot. Now, can I shut this without?
Yeah, see, no. I
Yeah,
was going to tell you that was a huge mistake doing that on.
yeah, you're right. I should have.
And I've done that thing several times.
You're going to want to squeeze it closer, yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
Because the wood's so far apart, you really can't get it to squeeze.
Alright. Well, it is heavy, isn't it?
I'm going to order a set of wheels that clamp on the front, so you just kind of pull it along like a suitcase.
Does it come with a crane?
Hernia. There we go. Alright. I lost that.
Oh.
I lost that one.
Well, my thought too was like, I'm going to do some Carolina barbecue pork theme, and then you sent the picture of the pork. I'm like, are you fucking kidding me? You doing pork too, son of a bitch? And my shit's coming out of the can.
You're looking at it like, man, I want to eat that right now.
Yeah, I'm freaking starving.
You got to get a 6-month head start on.
Yeah, invites. All right, let's knock everything over with my big ass feet.
Okay.
There's a brick right there.
Yeah, that's the one I just knocked off with my big ass feet.
The fire ring's too small. You should all be sitting inside the fire ring.
Stupid, tricky fire ring.
Any closer to you become a heat casualty. That thing's cranking.
I know, it's so tiny.
You're sweating right now, aren't you?
I am sweating.
No, when I was standing over there monitoring my pan, I was like, it's a little warm in here. Might need an IV.
Let's give this guy a
I'll
check.
sit down and enjoy my Pacific Wonderland lager. Cheers.
Gotta find something to.
Yeah, but this is pretty decent sitting out here and
Yeah, borrow your spatula.
Yeah.
not worried about shit. Food. Drinking shit. That's what I like. This is gonna be every day for me when I retire.
Well, when I first retired, I was doing that, but apparently they call it day drinking,
Oh.
and you're not supposed to.
Really?
Well, I mean, you
Who are
can't.
they?
So your girlfriend comes home
talked
from
to the
work
wrong
and she's
person.
like, "It's only 4 o'clock. Have you been drinking?" I'm like, "This is my first one. First from 6th or some shit."
My first one since 3.
Yeah, it's my first one since
Nice.
noon.
Really nice color.
Well,
That
came out
does look
pretty
good. It's got nice lines.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. It's falling.
Nice lines. That's an architectural remark.
Yeah.
I like the lines in the center.
Sweet.
Now we learned the lesson with the hardwood. Let it cool.
Oh yeah.
Hey, you want to give that a minute.
Yeah, we're gonna give this. We're gonna give this
There's
a minute.
cheese in the middle.
Okay, there's cheese. There's 2 kinds of pork, bacon, cheddar.
Ooh.
Canned apple pie filling.
It tastes good though. I've done that in a fire and stuff.
I cheated and tried it last night.
Yeah.
It's a small one. Small pie, and I was like, yeah, this will work.
It's best as logs take off. I mean, there's practically nothing there. You think the temperature of that ground is right now, like spontaneous combustion? Yeah, I'm thinking.
Let's do it that way. I'll cut it now so the center parts will cool. Very happy with the color on that. I'm sure this is cooled down enough.
Yeah, we're a little busy here.
We're taking pictures of our food.
Yeah. You know, for Facebook.
We're doing picture-y stuff. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Oh. Sandwich number 3.
Mmm. Oh yeah, that's really good. Three kinds of pork, cheddar cheese. Mmm. Wow.